Hey guys, it's your boy Bushy TV here. No, known by most of my friends, Alex Bush, or Bushy TV, whichever one you prefer. And I just recently put my PS3 in 1080p. Look how sweet that looks. That looks freaking awesome, right? So clean. I just recently did. I didn't realize it, so I just put the HDMI right there. And look at my friends list. Look, oh, there's your boy, Burn Mizzy. Oh, look at him. Weird ass picture though. He's playing Black Ops 2. I'm gonna go play with him right now. Alright, Call of Duty Black Ops 2 in 1080p. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. I wanna see how good it looks though. Whoa, what was that? Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Oh, yeah, your boy right here is now Master Prestige. So what's up, LeBron? Alright, let's see how it looks. Okay, more loading. More loading. Alright, let's see how it looks. Maybe I'll be able to get more kills. Lately my kills have been. There's your boy Burn Mizzy. Burn Mizzy!